In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up Remitly app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create your account and get it ready for sending money, with clear pointers at each screen so nothing feels confusing. First, open your web browser and head to Remitly's official website. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking for a secure connection in your address bar. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and select the Sign Up option. This takes you into the account creation flow. If you land on a page with several account options, go ahead and open Settings. This is where Remitly manages profile and login details, and it's a quick path into setting up your information for a new account. Next, you'll see a field for your email address. Type in an email you check regularly, since this is how Remitly will share important notifications about your account and transfers. Accuracy matters here. Double check for typos so you don't miss verification or security alerts later. If you prefer a faster start, you can continue with Google or continue with Apple. Choosing one of these will let you create your Remitly account using your existing sign-in from that provider, which can simplify login and reduce the number of passwords you manage. If you're comfortable with that, it's a great option. If you stick with email, you may see the email field again. Just enter it once more and click Continue. Some sign-up flows confirm your address this way to make sure everything is correct before moving forward. Now create your password. Pick something strong and unique. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using personal details. A memorable passphrase or a password manager can help you keep it secure without writing it down. When you're happy with it, proceed. Click Continue to move ahead. At this point, Remitly will ask, "Where do you want to send money?" This question helps personalize your experience by setting the right currency, available payout methods, and estimated fees for your destination. Browse or search the list and choose the country where you plan to send funds. That's it. You've gone from the home page to creating your login and selecting your destination, which sets the stage for your first transfer. From here, you can review rates, delivery speeds, and payout options, and when you're ready, you'll already be in the right place to continue. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, you're all set to explore Remitly with confidence.